Hello guys, good morning. How are you? It's been a long time. I did not put any videos or anything. So what's going on? For me, nothing much. Busy schedule in office. So one good news, I have stopped smoking. So I thought to give something to myself which will help me in this more vlogging and all. So I bought one thing. I'll show you. So it's got delivered today. It's a RØDE VideoMic, kind of professional, not the Video Go. I go for it. I paid nearly £59. Looks good for me. I'll not go for the specification and all. You can go to anywhere. So basically it is a normal mic. I'll open it. So let's open it. I have lot of good review and everything. Wow, it's big, very good build quality. And there are some manual and register, so you will get a 10 years warranty. So basically this is the mouse. It has a coating here, very nice, but the only drawback, you can say, it need a battery. You can change the, so I know it's a 9-volt battery required, so I bought one battery. You can got it in any shop. So I have to check the plus minus. This is 8 plus, so I have to put the battery. Very simple. Put it back. Okay, got it. So basically if you see the mount here, it's like this is the place, so it will be like very good flexible mount. So however the wind and all, it will not make any sound. It will cut. It's basically a focus microphone, so whatever it's in front of focus, it will take those sound. Sorry. So I will put it in camera and I will add the sound quality also. It has basically one switch here. Just turn it on. It put the green light, so means it's on. You can put to 80 Hz mode also, or the normal mode, whatever it's required. It has two settings inside, like there are some knobs, so you can put it like 0 dB mode, -10 dB, -20 dB, like noise cancellation effort. And this is the universal mount. You have to just clip it, and that's it. And also I bought a dead cat mount, dead cat cover for it, so the more wind noise will be cut. This is the dead cat mount. Very simple. Wow, the quality is awesome. It's like a far. So okay, it says a Velcro. I have to just put it inside. So it's done. I'll go to some outdoor also. The dead cat mount is done, so let's put this on a camera. So I have the Nikon D750 or any DSLR. There is a slot for the flash, so we'll put it here. It's very easy mount. Just put it in, slide, tight it, done. So basically video mic setup is control. It's hybrid, but it's not affect any sound. So there will be a mic port here. Yes, there is a mic port, so I can plug it. Yes, it's ready. So hello, no microphone bar is there. I just turn it on. Yeah, microphone level is showing very nicely. So let's put it 80 Hz. Oh no, it's too loud. Hello. It's hitting the red level, so I'm putting it down. Yeah. So now it's pretty good. I have to check the microphone settings of this camera, how we can change it, but overall it looks good. Hello guys, so basically it's a microphone test, like the installed microphone of the Nikon D750 and versus the Rode audio video mic which we bought. So you can see I am the balcony in 17th floor. There is a rail track, lot of outside noise is there. So this is the basic sound of the Nikon D750, and let's see how the Rode behave. Hello guys, now I put the Rode mic. Let's see how it perform. So basically it's outside, lot of noise again. There is one train going on, lot of wind, even the microphone is fully vibrating. Let's see how it behave. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you like the video, please do subscribe and click the bell button to get notified whenever we put a new video. Thank you. Bye bye.